Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, many iPhone users are complaining that Meta AI is not working in WhatsApp in their iPhone. So in today's video, I'll tell you how you can solve this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to fix this problem, first of all, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. For this, click the App Store icon on your home screen. Then click on search in the bottom right corner of the page. Next, click the search bar near the top of the page. Now type WhatsApp and tap search. Now go to WhatsApp Messenger page. Here, if an update is available, you will see an update button next to WhatsApp. Click it to install the latest version. After confirming this, now go to the settings application. On the settings menu, tap General. Then tap Software Update. Here, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes some features require the latest iOS to work properly. After that, go back to the settings page. On the settings page, turn on airplane mode for a while and then turn it off. After that, go to cellular data. Turn off the cellular data for a while and then turn it back on. Now go to cellular data options, then go to voice and data. Here you have to select LTE. Now go back to the previous menu. Scroll all the way down and here you'll see apps option. Tap on it. In the apps menu, find WhatsApp and tap on it. Here you'll see a list of permissions that are granted and not granted to the app. You have to turn on all these toggles and give WhatsApp full access to all features. So guys, that's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.